Hey, it's Matt from Custom Car Grills with a mesh install for the 2020 and newer Toyota Highlander. Today I'm going to show you how we can protect from some costly radiator damage. This all started with the stock grill, and wow, look at how big these grill openings are. If I can fit my hand through here, then you know rocks are getting through too. So let's check out the solution that we now have available. This is our mesh piece that's cut from our small diamond grill mesh, and it's designed specifically to fit on the Toyota Highlander. It's made from aluminum, and this is finished off in a gloss black powder coat. The stock grill shouldn't need to be removed from the bumper, but the bumper does need to be removed from the vehicle. Check out the link in the description for a good tutorial on how you can get caught up to this point. With access to the back of the grill, the mesh can drop right into place like so. Also included will be some cable ties that we'll use to attach the mesh to the grill. First though, be sure that the mesh is lined up well. There's very little overlap on the mesh on the back of the grill. Once satisfied with the placement, then let's start the install. I like going from the center area first, and it's best to feed the tail end of the tie through the mesh from the back. Then wrap the tie around a thinner bar on the stock grill and then back through the mesh. Fasten the tie together while making sure that the mesh doesn't move around. Here's the shot from the front so that you can see this process in a slightly different angle. This is a simple yet effective way of fastening the mesh on, and when we're done, the ties are just going to blend in. Work your way outward and around until the mesh is securely fastened to the grill. Typically, about a dozen ties will get the job done, and when everything's in place, then come back with some wire cutters and trim off the excess tails. The mesh install is complete, and now the bumper can go back on the vehicle. We'll also have a lower mesh piece included with the kit too, which also just ties in place. Protection is way better now than before, and only the smallest of debris is going to pass through. Visually, this doesn't detract from the look of the vehicle, and here's an example of what this will look like out in the wild. Well, that's all I have for this one. Feel free to hit me up for custom grills or mesh screens like this, and thanks for watching.